Join me to eat pepper soup, little shrimps. Yummy.
What's wrong, Lizzie? I thought you wanted to take the river. I was, but he's still flying. And that isn't all his special food. There's Macabre.
Hi guys, let me take you around. This is a tour around my kitchen to tell you how things are so expensive in Nigeria. My word, this is a sweet potato, so delicious. And guess how much for this small sweet potato? This is my banga. This is my banga soup, fresh banga. You know how Nigeria is now. This one is fresh. Well, I want to say these things are quite expensive. Like this banga, yeah, I spent 12,000 naira just to cook this banga soup. Just to cook this delicious banga soup. 12,000. So I've just been wondering, because I went to Nigeria recently and I went to the market. I do things myself. This is not that maybe you send someone now, the person might just, shocking some money. No, I went to the market myself to see how things are sold in my country. Things are expensive, but the second thing I want to say is this: how, like this ogbono soup now, this is 10,000. It's written there. I spent 10K. Other things I'm not included. The things I have at home. There are things I have at home are not included. But the things I bought in the market, this is 10,000 ogbono soup. So I don't understand. What about people that is receiving 10,000 in a month? How are they surviving? No, we need to do a topic regarding to this particular area. I'm just thinking, how are they surviving? How are the baby people that people that receive like 10,000 in a month? Some people receive 7,000 in a month. How are they managing? This is a vegetable stew with ring and stuff like that. The stew with ring and assorted meats. This one also, I spent nothing less than 10K because ring is expensive in Nigeria. So, like this one, you see, this is a 7K pepper stew. I'm very small. Just use fish. I use dry fish, medusa fish. I use scorpion fish, tomatoes, pepper. These are the things that I think Pomo is included. Yeah, I think I did add it because I love Pomo so much. Pomo is included. This is 7,000 pepper stew. I was like, whoa, what is happening in Nigeria? Look at the Pomo. So yeah, now we need to talk about this. Let's just educate ourselves. Let's talk, and we should somehow empower people that cannot even eat. We should try. We're going to be doing this maybe once in a year. Please support me also. We should empowering some families that they are just managing their life the way they say. This is 7K. This 7K food. Now, if you have 5 people in your house, this food eventually will just finish that same day. It will finish. This is my black soup. There I spent this one. I spent like 13,000. I spent like 13K to achieve this black soup. I use momo, lots of momo. I use dry fish, medusa fish, other kind of black fish also. No, I use beef to prepare. You can imagine how much I spent. And this food is not, they are not even cooking it that you are cooking it for, I don't even know, maybe you are going to eat it for 1 week. No. So how are they? So I don't understand it. Our government have to help us. Things are so expensive. And I don't know how are they doing it. I don't know how they're doing it, how they're surviving. Goodness me, things are quite expensive, Things are quite expensive. I know Europe is not easy also. When sometimes we sending money back home, your people will be telling you that the money will not be enough. You'll be yelling that will not be enough. I will like send you 100 and send 50 euros. It will not be enough for what? That 50 euro will buy this one, buy this one. My people, when you go yourself, you will know what's up. It's not up to anything. This is a goosey soup me and my boy we are eating. It's not up to anything. I can't lie to you. Let God just, provide for us, continue to protect us, give us a good job that we know, a solid job. At least we can cater for ourselves and our family, let them would eat well, and to establish at least to even support them, even though they have business, let's still support them so they can still eat well also. Food is number one. Things are expensive, eh? Things are expensive. I'm telling you. Things are so expensive. Yeah, this is back in Lagos. This one is quite different from the other one I saw previously. This one is water leaf. I use water leaf. I use ugu leaf. I mix them together, water leaf and ugu. That is what I use in preparing this vegetable. I use 2 different kind of vegetables. And I think I added green. Yeah, I added green vegetable to it. Yeah, I used 3 different kind of vegetables. I use water leaf, I use green, I use ugu leaf. I just want to feel the taste of different kind of vegetable, which it came out to yummy. And also, how will I be saying the amount of this one? Nothing less than 10,000. As you are seeing it, nothing less than that 10,000, 11,000, 12,000. This is fufu. That is fufu. I ate a lot of fufu. Oh, I enjoy myself. This is breakfast. This is pap and a bread and a akara with some Hollanda milk. This is breakfast. I really ate this thing when I was in Nigeria. I ate this pap. I ate akara. Even Nigerian bread. I ate Nigerian bread. I was like, Nigerian bread was now running for me, shouting. Nigerian bread was now crying that please, mommy, Shati, let me be, mommy, Shati, let me be. I ate different types, but there is the particular one I love so much that I love that one. I've forgotten the name. I know. That one is sold for 1,000. There are different types sold for 1,000 though. I so much love it. I love it. That bread was so soft and so rich. Look at my boo over here enjoying. This one don't really eat that much. The first time, this akara now, maybe we might just take like 4 pieces.
Say good morning.
It's good to go. So, still Niger food breakfast again. What are we having for breakfast? I was having sweet potato and vegetable and vegetable and stew. Inside I have my dry fish. I have my pomo. You know, I told you guys I love pomo so much. That pomo, because the one over here in Europe here, I don't find it so sweet. It's not like the one in now Niger. I ate it so much. This was a vegetable, very crunchy. It's just half cooked. It's not really cooked that much. I needed it to be half cooked so it to be crunchy. You'll be eating to be feeling a lot of pepper. I added a lot of pepper. You know what I mean? This was my breakfast. Niger breakfast. Niger we eat beans as breakfast, eat porridge as breakfast. Now wow.